Press the switch to remove the twin water tank, open the clean water tank seal, and fill with clean water. Add HIZERO cleaning solution as needed. 2 capfuls for small bottles or 1/4 capful for large bottles. Secure the clean water tank cover. If the water filling space is limited, disassemble the twin water tank for easier operation. Then reinsert it into the machine and confirm it's locked. Before cleaning, ensure the multi-roller is moist. If it has hardened due to prolonged non-use, soak it in the multi-roller packaging tube or a basin with warm or room temperature water for 5 to 8 minutes. If some areas are not moist, knead the multi-roller by hand to speed up the process. Once soft and moist, squeeze out excess water and install it into the machine. Remove sharp objects and cables from the floor before cleaning. Step on the machine and pull down the handle to unlock. Press the power button to start. During cleaning, ensure debris is positioned in front of the machine, allowing for pushing and pulling to complete the cleaning cycle. Rotate your arm to change direction while pushing forward, without lifting or frequently repositioning the machine. Adjust the push-pull speed according to the floor conditions. For floors with tile grouts, clean along their direction. If tiles are uneven or have slight height differences, the machine may make a collision sound when passing the grout. Pass over the grout at a smaller angle. For dirty areas, slow down the machine to allow the multi-roller to clean, preventing water stains due to unabsorbed sewage. For stubborn stains, press the button and switch to mode 2. Twist the handle to swing the cleaning head and clean the area repeatedly. After cleaning, step on the machine and push the handle forward to lock it upright. Use the bottom wheels to move the machine to the docking station.